Hey, in this video, I want to talk to you about Nextcloud. So I bought this cool little AI PC, 300 bucks. I got my own website hosted on it, which is so cool. I got my AI automation software hosted on it, which is amazing. I don't have to pay anything forever, no hosting fees forever. Only cost me 300 bucks. And then I also put on Nextcloud. Now, Nextcloud is open source, it's self-hosted, and basically it's Google Drive Dropbox competitor in a way to where it does almost everything they do from what I can tell. And I'm going to start actually moving all my content over there. Now, the fastest way I got this working on this little B-Link AI mini PC is either using Docker desktop, and then AI will just walk you through that, which I did because the PC comes with Windows, but I got annoyed with that because it kept on messing up when kept on trying to do stuff. So I installed Linux on here, which I'm remotely connected into. It's got Ubuntu, if I say that right, loaded on. And then I just actually installed Gemini and told it to install Nextcloud, and I have it set up to where in my DNS is going through Cloudflare. It's set up to where it will anything I set up on it here will actually automatically go over to a subdomain. So I can have it set up. Oh gosh, there's a freaking jet going by. So on cloud.mikey.ai, I have this now installed, and then I'm working on getting all my content sent over there. But this is all self-hosted. I don't have to pay any money for it ever again. As long as this computer is plugged in to an internet connection and powered on, it will provide me with this. And Google Gemini CLI is just the fastest way that I have found to be able to install any of these self-hosted open source softwares. Nextcloud gives you, from what I'm gathering, the same as like a Google Drive, maybe with the Google Photos in there as well. I haven't really fully, these are all just generic things. I just got this fully actually working and then stopped messing up what I was doing because I kept on loading things and then breaking it. Anyways, so I'll share more about kind of the use cases of this and how well it does and doesn't work. But from what I can tell so far, it's pretty amazing. And the fastest way that I find to do to get this loaded again is using Google Gemini CLI in the terminal, and then just telling it to install Nextcloud is what I did. I said install Nextcloud on cloud.mikey.ai. And since I already had my DNS set up, it went in and automatically did that. Absolutely incredible. Let me know if you got any questions about Nextcloud, or if you used other software that's a Google Drive, Google Dropbox, alternative that's maybe better than Nextcloud. I have a couple other options I've been looking at, but this one's pretty awesome. So let me know what you guys think, and if you got any questions or anything like that. Talk to you soon.